Imagine a world where metal giants roam and engineering knows no bounds. Today at Power Pulse, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the colossal realms of the top 50 heaviest machines in the world. Get ready to be astounded and inspired as we unveil the incredible power and precision of these modern marvels. Let's dive into a world where size truly matters. Bagger 293, a Titanic bucket wheel excavator, reshapes landscapes in open-pit mines, extracting colossal amounts of material with its sheer size and monumental efficiency. It stands at 96 meters tall and is 225 meters long, with an astonishing weight of 14,061 tons. Overburdened conveyors are silent giants transporting massive loads of earth, streamlining mining operations and reducing environmental impact. Bagger 288, a colossal bucket wheel excavator, is a symbol of relentless mining productivity and engineering prowess, redefining mining scale. Big Muskie, an epic dragline excavator, leaves a historical footprint in mining, reflecting the industry's colossal ambitions. The Captain, a massive bucket wheel excavator, powers open-pit mining with its impressive size and tenacity. Big Brutus, a towering electric shovel, serves as a living monument to mining's grandeur. Honghai Crane, a less-known powerhouse, silently shoulders heavy lifting and logistical challenges vital in industries worldwide. Big Bertha, a tunnel-boring colossus, revolutionized subterranean construction, unveiling the depths of human engineering ingenuity. The XGC 88000, an engineering marvel, lifts mammoth loads gracefully, epitomizing precision and power in construction. NASA's Crawler Transporter, a behemoth, carries the dreams of space exploration to launch pads, symbolizing mankind's quest for the stars. The magnificent railway cannon Schwerer Gustav left an indelible impression on World War II with its unparalleled power and enormous size. The gun's massive bullets could travel over 47 kilometers at a muzzle velocity of around 820 meters per second due to its immense power. In ancient Greece, the Heliopolis was a siege tower of immense proportions, making it a formidable war machine of its time. Its towering presence and advanced engineering allowed it to be used as a powerful tool in ancient warfare, enabling troops to breach enemy fortifications. The LZ-129 Hindenburg, a famous German passenger airship, became synonymous with luxury air travel during the early 20th century. However, its tragic end in a fiery disaster in 1937 marked the end of an era of passenger airships, casting a shadow over the romance of lighter-than-air travel. The USS Akron, a colossal US Navy airship, once held the title of the world's largest flying machine. It served as a flying aircraft carrier for biplanes, illustrating the innovative possibilities of airborne military operations during its time. The British R-101 rigid airship was an ambitious project in the early 20th century. Though its career was short-lived and marked by a tragic crash in 1930, it represented an era of experimentation and progress in airship technology. The Airlander 10 is a modern hybrid airship combining elements of traditional airships with innovative design. With its potential to serve various purposes, including surveillance, transportation, and cargo delivery, it showcases the evolving role of airships in contemporary aviation. The Antonov AN-225 Mariah is the world's largest cargo plane, a marvel of aviation engineering. Its colossal size and payload capacity make it a vital tool for transporting oversized and heavy cargo, reflecting the demands of global logistics. Stratolaunch is an enormous aircraft designed to launch rockets into space. It symbolizes the private sector's growing involvement in space exploration and its ambition to make access to space more cost-effective. The Caspian Sea Monster, an chronoplan, is a massive ground effect vehicle with a unique design. It operated near the water's surface, showcasing the innovation in military technology during the Cold War. The Airbus A380 is one of the largest passenger planes in the world, revolutionizing air travel by offering unprecedented passenger capacity and comfort. Its size and technological advancements have reshaped the aviation industry. Boeing's 747-8 is a modern iteration of the iconic jumbo jet. It continues the legacy of the Boeing 747 series, known for its long-range capabilities and versatility. The Hughes H-4 Hercules, affectionately known as the Spruce Goose, was a massive wooden seaplane with a wingspan that remains unmatched to this day. Despite its limited flight, it remains a symbol of innovation and engineering audacity. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, located deep underground, explores the mysteries of particle physics. It's the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, enabling scientists to unlock the secrets of the universe at the smallest scales. The Seawise Giant, once an oil tanker giant, was the largest ship ever built. Its impressive size symbolized the magnitude of global oil transportation during its time. The Pioneering Spirit is an enormous offshore platform installation and decommissioning vessel. It reflects the increasing complexity of offshore operations in the energy industry. Batilus was one of the largest supertankers ever built, an icon of the era of massive oil transportation and international trade. The supertanker TI was a notable presence in the world of maritime transport, playing a crucial role in the global shipping industry. The Wonder of the Seas is among the world's largest cruise ships, offering passengers luxury, entertainment, and the thrill of exploration on the high seas. Symphony of the Seas is a massive cruise ship designed to provide passengers with an extraordinary and unforgettable cruising experience. The Queen Mary II, a renowned ocean liner, offers passengers a regal and elegant voyage, harkening back to the golden age of transatlantic travel. The USS Gerald R. Ford is a nuclear-powered supercarrier, a symbol of naval might and modern naval warfare capabilities. Nimitz-class carriers are nuclear-powered supercarriers, exemplifying U.S. naval strength and projecting power across the world's oceans. The conventional-powered supercarrier Fujian is a notable vessel in naval history, representing the capabilities of naval aviation. The International Space Station ISS is a space marvel symbolizing international cooperation in space exploration. It serves as a unique platform for scientific research and international collaboration. China's Tiangong Space Station is a celestial outpost, a symbol of China's space prowess and a testament to global collaboration in exploring the cosmos. SpaceX's Starship, an audacious venture, promises humanity affordable, reusable access to the stars, unveiling the next chapter in space exploration. The Saturn V, a marvel of engineering, carried astronauts to the moon, encapsulating human determination to touch the lunar surface and explore the unknown. The Soviet N-1 rocket, an enigmatic giant, chased lunar dreams, confronting the complexities of space exploration in a tense era of competition. NASA's Space Launch System Block 1, a lifeline to distant realms, rekindles ambitions to send humans into the depths of space. The Soviet Energia, a powerhouse of space launch systems, underlined the USSR's dominance in payload capacity, leaving a mark on space history. With 4,500 real-time moving panels, this 500-meter telescope dish in southwest China is the largest filled-aperture radio telescope in the world. It may look like an instrument, it can automatically move to pick up signals coming from various angles. Constructed in 1998, the Queen of the Netherlands is a hopper dredging vessel. Her dead weight is about 60,000 tons, while her gross tonnage is 33,423 tons. La Princesse, a surreal mechanical arachnid, captivated audience with its artistry, blurring the line between technology and enchantment. Bucharest Erie 257OW Walking Dragline. This walking titan reshapes landscapes, moving colossal amounts of earth, an embodiment of mining's colossal scale. The Cat 6120B, a hydraulic giant, scoops the earth with precision and is the world's largest hydraulic shovel. The Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC, an electric workhorse, extracts riches from the ground with efficiency, exemplifying innovation in mining. The Leitorniu L2350, an engineering masterpiece, handles mammoth loads with finesse, a symbol of advanced heavy machinery. The Komatsu D575A, an earth-moving behemoth, levels landscapes, signifying the strength of human engineering. Tyson Crane, a lifting colossus, gracefully handles immense loads, a ballet of power and precision in the world of heavy machinery. The Liebherr 9800, an excavation titan, uncovers treasures from the earth, showcasing the future of mining technology and capability. If you enjoyed this journey through the top 50 heaviest machines in the world, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Power Pulse for more incredible stories and captivating discoveries. Stay tuned and keep exploring the remarkable world around us.